Hey there, Ace Appliance Service. My name is Omari Bukal with Taurus SEO. I'm a local Lexington, Kentucky-based social engine optimization company. I deal with paid advertisements as well, a little bit of lead generation and reputation management. But really, I'm making this video because I'm looking for a company that's in the appliance repair niche and wants to grow their business. Doing some research, I saw yours, and I wanted to make this quick video just to give you some tips and tricks on how you can really beat out your competition with just using two strategies. And these two strategies will be where you're going to get 80% of your results. What I really focus on is getting the other 20, and the other 20 is the hardest part to get. So without further ado, I'm just go through this video and show you two tips on how you can increase your SEO and beat out your competition. So if we come here, and I'll just type it in. If we type in appliance repair in Lexington, Kentucky, this is what pops up in the map pack, and this is where you want to be. The map pack is probably the most important real estate on the Google search results page. Appliance Medic, Appliance Repair, Appliance Service of Lexington. These three companies are pretty much eating up a bulk of the business because when people search, this is what they're clicking on, especially on their cell phone, because there's going to be a phone icon when people use their cell phone, which gives the immediate ability to call that business ASAP. So this is where you want to be. So you want to make sure you have your Google My Business listing up and ready with some good reviews. For example, this one has 44 reviews. So the more reviews, the more people trust the company. So this company right here is probably getting a pretty big chunk of the market. If we come down, you see Mr. Appliance, RG Appliance, Rick's Green, and I saw that your business wasn't on the first page of Google, and that's where you really want to be. So if we come down, we find yours right here, aceapplianceservicekentucky.com, which is a really good website name, by the way. And we click your guys' website, and like I said, you're in the middle of the second page, and people aren't going to be going to the second page of Google to get what they're looking for. What they're really going to be is they're really going to be on the first page of Google, and they're probably going to scroll down once. They're probably going to scroll down once and hit these three guys. And if they can't get it, if there's for some reason you can't get these three guys, then they're going to scroll down again and keep going until they can find someone. So being here on the Google page for appliance repair, keywords in Kentucky is probably not going to be very advantageous for you. And really, you're at the bottom of the page because all there is just ads. It's just ads for the rest of the way going down. So, you're close to page 3, but you're really bottom of page 2. And I can help you with that. The first thing you really want to do with your website to get Google to like it better is increase content on your home page. Your home page does have some good information, it has some good pictures, but there's not a lot of unique content on your home page. You do have a client testimonial right here, which is unique content, but you really want about 1,000 words of unique content, images that are optimized on your home page. If you come to a couple other websites like Rick's Green, theirs is pretty well built. They are based in Lexington and surrounding areas, but they do have content and some pretty, I'm not sure if these are original or unique pictures, but they look like they're optimized. They're high quality photos. They have their numbers here as well. Our services, about us, some more links. So these guys' homepage is optimized with content, but content isn't the only thing. Google does love content. It is one of the main things the search engine looks for when it sees your websites and starts crawling through it. It analyzes the words, the keywords to see exactly what your business does. So when someone does type in appliance repair or appliance service, they know which business to pull up. And it looks like these are the guys that are being pulled up because, they have, the word appliance in there, the word professionalism, appliances, appliance repair service, a lot of those words, are in their kitchen, laundry, household appliances. That's the stuff that Google looks for when it returns results to customers that use their service. TIS was on the first page as well. Let me see. Look like they were, yeah. Look like they were third on the results. And they do have content on there, but it's still not a lot. You do have more content, but I believe this right here is what's helping them. Appliance repair Lexington, appliance repair Richmond, that's what's helping them. Just the repeated use of the word appliance repair, which is not good. That's called keyword stuffing, and Google does not like it, but it is helping. They have more here, so that is helping them with their listing. So you do have some more links on yours on your homepage, but we getting you some more content on there is definitely a must. To beat these guys out. You really want about 1,000 words of original content, which is easy to do. You just have to do it. All right, the second tip I want to talk to you about is backlinks. Backlink is a vote from another website. The stronger the website that you get the backlink from, the stronger it will be, which means Google is going to like your website more. Think of it like getting reviews from your neighbors. Like your neighbor saying, "Hey, Ace Service is a really good appliance repair company. Check them out." Versus the governor of Kentucky saying, "Hey, Ace Appliance Service is really good. Go check them out." Essentially, they're both one vote, but one holds a lot more weight, so people are going to trust it more. So they're going to put you higher up. So if we come here and look at this software I use called Majestic, it looks at the links that are coming into a certain website. So this one's Rick Green Appliances, and these are the two links coming into them. But as you can see, they're not very strong. A trust flow of 6, and you really want to have one of about 25 to 30, and a citation flow of 23. The trust flow is really the most important part, especially something coming from, reliable but also relevant sources. So since you're in the appliance niche, you do want to see something about home ownership, home contractor, and something in the home appliance niche. So if we come over here as well to TIS, you see there's a 0. So they haven't done much backlinking, and the 3 sites they do have them from are pretty weak as well. You see this one has a citation of 11. That's the site that's linking to them. So these are pretty weak reviews. And if we come over and look at yours, you have 3 as well, but yours are 0 and 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, but you only have 3. So getting blogs or other companies to link to your website and saying, hey, these guys are really good, you should check them out, or just finding some of the unique ways to get people to reference your website will get you from the bottom of the 3rd page of Google, and get you in front of everyone else. So going from here to the first page of Google is very doable for you guys. You just need someone to help you do it. And like I said, I am looking for a partner who does want to grow their business and pretty much take over the niche and be one of the big hitters, grabbing a lot of the business during this time. The more leads you have, the better. And this is what I do. And I'm looking for someone that's willing to partner with me to do it. You have any questions, you can visit my website. It's on the email. Again, my name is Amari. I'm with Taurus SEO. And I'd be more than happy to discuss with you how to grow your website more, how to get to the top of the page, and really how to beat out the competition. So if you're interested and you want to really grow your business, please give me a call. Love to chat with you. Thanks and have a great day.